Welcome to Pebbles channel. So do you remember the verbs that we have already learnt? We learnt how to conjugate the ER verbs in the present tense. In today's class, we are going to be learning other verbs, that is, verbs other than the ER verbs. So their conjugation will be slightly different. Are you ready to begin? So we will begin with the verb faire. Faire means to do. So first we will write down the subjects. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, and elle. So now we are going to conjugate the verb faire in the present tense for these subjects. So shall we begin? For je, it is je fais, I do. For tu, it is tu fais. For il fait. Elle, it is elle fait. For nous, it is nous faisons. Nous faisons, we do. For vous, it is vous faites. Vous faites. And for il, it is ils font, and elles font. So this is the conjugation for the verb faire. Faire is to do. Je fais, I do. Tu fais, you do. Il fait, he does. Elle fait, she does. Nous faisons, we do. Vous faites, you do. Ils font, they do. Elles font, they do. So this is how you conjugate this verb. Now you can try to write some simple sentences. For example, if you want to say, I do cycling. So how would you say I? To do is faire. For je, it is fais. Je fais du vélo. Vélo is cycling. So I do the cycling. Je fais du vélo. If you want to say I do swimming, je fais de la natation. It means I do swimming. Je fais de la natation. So now you will be able to form simple sentences using just the subject, the verb faire, and a particular activity. So you can form simple sentences. Now we will move on to the next verb.